Ganesha and Ravana. Ravana, the 10-headed king of Lanka, was a mighty and ruthless king. He was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. He used to worship Lord Shiva every day. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. I want to become the king of the three worlds. For this I have to make Lord Shiva happy. Ravana went on a mountain and began praying. He meditated for a very long time, standing on one foot. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Months passed, but there was no response from Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva is not still impressed by my prayers. I think I will have to make a sacrifice to impress Lord Shiva. Ravana took a sword and cut off one of his head. Hey Lord, I offer my head to you. Still there was no response from Lord Shiva. Ravana cut off his second head. Hey Lord, I offer my head to you. But still there was no response from Lord Shiva. One by one, Ravana cut off his 9 heads. But still there was no response from Lord Shiva. I think I will have to sacrifice my life to impress my Lord. Ravana took his sword and was about to cut his 10th head. Suddenly there was a sparkling light, and Lord Shiva appeared. Wait, Ravana, do not sacrifice your life. I am impressed by your devotion. I bless you with mighty strength and power. The 9 heads which you sacrificed shall also be restored to you. The next moment, all the heads were restored, and Ravana found himself filled with strength and power. Ravana was happy, and he bowed and prayed to Lord Shiva. Ravana, I am pleased by your devotion. You can ask for a boon. Hey Lord, I want you to come with me and stay in Lanka. Lord Shiva was surprised, but since he had given his word, he said, Ravana, I will give you my Atmalinga. This is a reflection of myself in the form of a linga, and hence it is extremely powerful. You may carry it to Lanka and worship it. It is as good as my being there in person. It will bring you unlimited power and prosperity. Ravana was happy, and he bowed and prayed to Lord Shiva. But Ravana, remember, do not put this Atmalinga on the ground even for a moment. Once you put it on the ground, you cannot get it back. Saying this, Lord Shiva disappeared. Ravana was very happy. Ha 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 ha! Now I am very powerful. I am the king of the 3 worlds. No one can defeat me. Ha 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 ha! The gods were shocked to see Lord Shiva's Atmalinga in Ravana's hands. What is this? How did this happen? How did he get the Atmalinga? Ravana has become more powerful now. We have to do something to stop this. We have to take the Atmalinga back from him. But how? We should ask Ganesha for help. All the gods went to meet Ganesha. They told everything to Ganesha. Do not worry. I will make sure that Ravana does not take the linga with him to Lanka. Ravana was on his way to Lanka carrying Shiva's Atmalinga in his hands. Ganesha quietly followed him. Ravana kept walking. He came near the sea. By then it was evening. It was time for Ravana to perform his Sandhya Vandana, the evening prayers. Lord Shiva has instructed that the linga should not touch the ground. But how will I perform my evening prayers with the Atmalinga in my hands? What should I do now? He stood there thinking. Ganesha, who was following Ravana, was waiting for a chance. I think this is the right time to make my move. Ganesha turned himself into a young boy. He walked towards Ravana. Ravana was happy to see the boy coming towards him. Hello, my dear friend. I am Ravana, the king of Lanka. Can you hold this in your hands for some time? I want to perform my prayers. It appears to be very heavy. Why don't you keep it on the ground? No, I cannot do that. It should not be kept on the ground. Please hold it in your hands till I return. Okay, I will hold it. But what if it is too heavy for me? Don't worry, I will return soon. Ravana gave the linga to the boy. I will hold it. But if it starts feeling heavy, then I'll call your name 3 times. If you don't come immediately, then I'll keep it on the ground. Okay. Ravana walked into the sea and started performing his evening puja. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Ravana, it is too heavy. Ravana heard the boy calling him, but he could not return without completing his puja. I will be back soon. Whatever happens, do not keep it on the ground. While Ravana was offering holy water to the gods. Ravana, please come fast. It's too heavy for me. I'm coming. Please hold it for some more time. Ravana, it's too heavy for me. I cannot hold it anymore. I'm keeping it on the ground. Ganesha kept the linga on the ground and disappeared. Ravana finished his prayer and ran towards the linga. Shiva's Atmalinga was firm on the ground. Ravana tried to pick it up, but he could not. Ravana tried with all his strength, but still could not pick up the linga. Ravana was sad. It was not an easy task to take the linga back from Ravana, but Ganesha, with his cleverness, completed the task. All the gods were happy, and they thanked Ganesha. Ganesha had saved the world from the mighty Ravana. The devotees of Ganesha call him as Vignaharta because they believe that Ganesha can rescue them from all the obstacles and difficulties.
I'm sure you enjoyed watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and watch more interesting videos.